Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And yesterday I did a video on text to path, and I thought I really kind of figured out a new way. If you had this, there's a couple ways you could do it, but the easiest thing would be to take the 2-point line and go from that node to that node, because we need to make a path. And then select both those and add a node so it's in the middle. Then select all three and right click and turn it into a curve. And then if you'll select just that one node, holding down the control button so you'll go to the middle, you get that exact path. Then we can cursor that out of the way wherever we want it. That's what's so nice about something somebody kind of turned me on to yesterday. So we'll go to text to path, and we'll get it in here until we get that red line so we're in the center of that hump. And then this is where the fun is, or the easy part is. And a lot of times if you can't ungroup the text, it's because you don't have the line. So make sure you select the whole thing, go to Object, Break Text Apart. Then you have your text. And what is neat about this, we can use a line. So we're gonna select the text first, hold down the Shift key and select our well, and then go CE, which puts it in the center and equally. You don't have to mess around with moving it around or moving it up and down. And I think that's a game changer. It's pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.